Hello friends, today's video is for school-going children, teenagers and their parents. Parents, do you ever wonder how to get your child interested in reading? This video is all about 10 powerful novels every student or teenager must read. These aren't just stories, they are life lessons weaved in words and wrapped in pages. Whether you are a parent, a teacher or a student yourself, this list is your guide to building a thoughtful and empathetic young mind. Let's get started. The first novel on my list is Charlotte's Web by E.B. White. Charlotte's Web is a beautiful story about friendship, loyalty, kindness, devotion, and sacrifice. It's a story about a pig named Wilbur who befriends Charlotte, a wise spider who weaves words in her web to prove Wilbur is special and valuable, hoping to save him from the butcher. This heartwarming tale teaches children the value of empathy and the power of words. A perfect read for age 5 and above. The second book on my list is The Diary of a Young Girl. This is a historical memoir by Anne Frank. It's her personal account of hiding with her family during the Nazi occupation of the Netherlands. This book offers deep insights into hope, fear, courage, and the life people lived in confinement. Her diary offers a powerful human perspective on the horrors of war and the resilience of the human spirit. It helps students connect history with humanity. The next book would be Wonder by R.J. Palacio. This modern classic follows the story of a boy with a facial difference as he navigates mainstream school for the first time. The novel unfolds through various characters' viewpoints, highlighting how people react to and grow from their encounters and experiences with the protagonist. It's an inspiring tale that emphasizes compassion, inner strength, and the importance of treating others with respect. The story is relatable and essential in today's bullying-prone world. The next novel is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. This novel is ideal for older teens as it portrays the hypocrisy of the society through the innocent eyes of a child. The serious issues like racism and injustice raised in this novel encourage the critical thinking of the new generation, which leads to their moral development. The next book on my list is the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling. We all know about Harry Potter series. The adventurous journey of a boy who discovers that he is a wizard and goes to a magical school called Hogwarts. Along with his best friends, he learns spells, plays Quidditch, and faces some very powerful dark forces. Each book of the series is filled with magic, mystery, adventure, and friendship tales. All these qualities make this entire series perfect for kids who love fantasy and imagination. A must-read for every child. The sixth book on my list is the Panchatantra. This is an ancient collection of short animal fables that teach important life lessons and morals. The stories are simple yet meaningful, helping children learn values in an engaging way. The next book on my list is my personal favorite. It's Malgudi Days by R.K. Narayan. Very simple, heart-touching stories set in a fictional South Indian town called Malgudi. Every single detail about the stories feels so real and relatable. This beautiful collection of stories introduces young readers to our culture, people, and their simplicity. The next book on my list is the famous The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. This book, according to me, is a very important read as it revolves around following one's personal legend or true purpose in life with faith and determination. The story teaches that the universe helps those who are determined to pursue their dreams with courage. In the end, it reminds us that true treasure often lies within and not any place outside. The next book on my list is The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. This is a touching tale of a young boy from another planet who explores the universe and meets a variety of unusual people and learns about life during the process. It's a beautifully written story that encourages readers to value love, innocence, and the most valuable things in life. My final recommendation would be The Giver by Louis Lowry. Now, this one is a thought provoking young adult dystopian novel that introduces teens to complex ideas like freedom, control, and individuality. It explores how a society that sacrifices freedom and feeling for safety and sameness ultimately loses its humanity. The boy in the story learns the true value of emotions, memories, and human connections, things his controlled society had erased. He realizes that real life must include both pain and joy, and he risks everything to escape and bring that truth to others. Friends, these 10 books help build character, empathy, personality, and curiosity. If you are a parent, please do consider getting these for your child, not just for reading, but for learning. Which book will you start with? And how many of these you have already read? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more book based learning and insights. It's time to end the video now. Bye bye.